You know, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, don't forget to like and follow the page on Facebook. Over Instagram too. We do over Instagram load.
Yo, the Nick. Been a while, enough things for talk about. I'ma tell about my new man. Same nigga from Waterhouse. No baby girl, not a rumor. Push a in on me nose all. Rub out me back on the cold floor, yeah. Me comfy with fire, but you me all night like say you a bun cold.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
Me I tell her the honest truth, me don't know how Aishana come up with that something there. I guess she have no problem in pushing that something down in her nose, you know, if you do the COVID test, because if she take penis down in her nose, well, that's one different topic. Anyway, let me kick off the report by saying this. Contract killer makes tearful confession to murder of Portland businessman's wife. Now people, you know say Portland me come from and me kinda stay shy from that topic here. A lot of people are requested and I said, Chaddy, wagwan, oh you not talk about the beachy incident. Anyway, we just are going to talk about what we see in the media. We just are going to talk about what we see on the Jamaica Gleaner. Now, let me go over the Gleaner and tell you how the article go. Denvalin Minot has been married for more than 2 decades and is known to residents in his East Portland community of Norwich as a family man who is devoted to his 4 children. On Thursday, Minot was led from the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston as a convict contract killer, sentenced to 19 years in prison for his involvement in the gruesome slaying of Tonya McDonald, wife of popular businessman Everton Beachy Stout McDonald. Investigators have alleged that McDonald's death was as the result of a murder plot orchestrated by her husband, who has been arrested along with another man, Ashar Barnes, and charged with murder. On Monday, prosecutors disclosed details of a caution statement recorded by the police in which Minot claimed that Everton McDonald hired him to kill his wife for $3 million and reveal how he subcontracted another man to commit the crime. Minot admitted too that he watched as Tonya McDonald was stabbed repeatedly before she and her car were set ablaze by the man he hired. Before handing down her sentence, High Court Judge Vivian Harris scolded the family man turned contract killer. You are a family man with a stable family and, according to the community, a good father. I don't know what could have come over you to cause you to act in this diabolical way. No, you are going to be separated from them for a long time, said Justice Vivian Harris. You were seduced by a payment for a large sum of money and participated in the hope of getting a big payday. Tonya McDonald's partially burned body was found with the throat slashed beside her raised motor car along the Sherwood Forest Main Road on July 20 this year. Minot, in his caution statement, which was cited in court by prosecutors, claimed that he had been contracted by Everton McDonald to kill Tonya. He said that the arrangement was that payment of $3 million would be made for the killing of Mrs. McDonald that is. He didn't want Mrs. McDonald to be shot, but that she was to be stabbed up and her body burnt, he told detective, according to prosecutors. Minot admitted that he gave the work to another man known to him only as the Youth. He revealed that on the night of July 20, Tonya McDonald picked him up in her Toyota Axio motor car, and he indicated to her that he was going to pick up another man in Port Antonio. The trio traveled towards Sherwood Forest, he said, when the youth asked Tonya to stop and turn around the car as they approached a 3-way intersection. Minot recalled stepping out of the vehicle after Tonya complied with the request, causing her to become fearful. Where you a go, I'm afraid. You know see, round here dark. He said the youth grabbed her around the headrest of the driver's seat and they were wrestling. He said he then saw when the youth stabbed her and he saw blood coming from her two sides and her back and her neck, a prosecutor revealed in court. Maynard said the man had a bottle containing an apparent flammable liquid. The car caught fire and Maynard left the scene to call Everton McDonald and told him what had happened. The Sansan police reported that while the scene was being processed, Everton McDonald arrived and identified his wife's body as well as her motor car. Maynard, apparently wrecked with guilt, broke down in tears as he recounted to detective his role in Tonya McDonald's death. Miss Mac trust me too much. She believe in me and me make she go up there, he said through tears in the caution statement. Everton McDonald and Barnes are scheduled to return to court today.
You go watch your friends while you smoke with and run joke with. I them think forgot your shot with.
Honestly, people, I don't really want to share my personal thought on this, but being that I'm from Portland and this like one of the high topic in Portland right now, it's really a sad situation. You see me? But when we go over Pink Wall or when we go on most of the social media site them, you know, the Pink Wall them, the Tropics them, the Dear Dream them, a lot of people in the comment section I say him should I get more. 19 years is not enough because 10 years after that him can get parole. So them I say no, him should I get more, and them are compare to Vybz Kartel case, and I say yo, watch you know, Vybz Kartel allegedly do that and him get, you see me? Him get 35 to life. And this man confess that he did this crime or that he helped to do this crime and him end up only get 19. Anyway, let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. And me just think alright here, so I go done this report. So guess what? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way, any other way, the wrong way. And I just want to close off by saying this. My condolence goes to the family of Tonya McDonald, John Star. It's really an unfortunate situation, but my condolence goes out. And please, just go and hold it. You know the thing, I hope justice serve. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? I'm out.
So watch your friends while you smoke with and run joke with. Them think forgot your shot with.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!